Good morning, all of you. My name is Pooja. Today, I wanna tell about a world famous book. Writer is Acharya Prashant. The book name is Truth Without Apology. You should purchase this book because this book completely changed your life. So, I wanna start one by one chapter. And firstly, I'm gonna tell about the chapter name. The first chapter name is You Exist in Their Eyes. Seriously, you exist in their eyes. So hook word is open code, reducing dependencies, finding your authentic self. That is the key to living fearlessly. Close call. Again I say, reducing dependencies, finding your authentic self. That is the key to living fearlessly. Close call. When you blindly accept what the world says about you, you hand it power. You hand it power, you make the world your judge and your master. The way our species has evolved, the way we are born, we lack direct vision of ourselves. We cannot see ourselves inwardly, so we rely on others. We look at ourselves through their eyes. And the moment we do that, we become enslaved. Our very senses of extinction now depends on them. Terrible, yes, but true. Terrible, yes, but true. Where there is dependency, there must be fear. This line is very important of this space. Again, I say, where there is dependence, there must be fear. It is still a mystery. Is it still a mystery why we are afraid of others? It's not a personal shortcoming. It's not a personal shortcoming. It's the universal consequence of physiological dependencies. If you want to live without fear, If you want to live without fear, you must investigate your dependencies. Ask, where have I outscored my sense of worth? Ask, where have I outscored my sense of worth? Cooperation is beautiful. Cooperation is beautiful. Collaboration is necessary, but extrinsic dependency is bandage. A business needing raw materials is natural, but the mind needing approval to feel worthy, that's that is sickness. And first chapter, second page is start. The body can be part of society. The body can be part of society. You can live among people, work with them, speak with them, but can you do all that while being inwardly free? Why not? Why not? Why must relatedness come at the cost of your sovereignty? Why must love come bundled with fear? It is possible It is possible to be among others, yet not belong to them. Possible to listen, yet not be swayed. Possible to speak feedback with humanity. Possible to seek feedback with humanity, yet not be possessed by it. Yet not be possessed by it. That is real fearlessness. That is real fearlessness. This is first chapter of this book. Are you exist in their eyes? Truth without apology. And I'm gonna upload next video